Hi, haven't seen you for a while. Been doing a lot of photo work, so I've been kind of tied up with that throughout my really busy period, which is September, October and into November. We're in early November now. Time to fortunately get back in the garden a little bit more and do some work before it gets too hot, really. So today I'm going to just move this grass here and make a privacy screen around this shower area, so I can use this outdoor shower. Before I had just some bamboo screen and it was pretty nasty. I also want to hide all this pipe work in this big hole into the house, which I haven't fixed up yet. I really don't like all this PVC pipe. So what we'll do is dig this out and divide it into as many plants as we can. Plant some along here, and in a little bit, and then we'll have a separate piece that comes out, so it sort of makes a dog leg, so you can't see, because you can actually see houses over there if you look hard. So we'll do that. So what have we got? We've got some compost from the house. We've got this big hole. Food scraps rather, it's not compost, sorry. We've got some kelp meal and some zeolite, which will give us a lot of nice minerals and help root growth. We've got some old compost too, which I'll just throw on the surface. Okay, let's get to it. Let's do it. So the GoPro didn't record the entire bit of me hacking the Bana grass down and separating it into mulch piles and into propagation piles, so sorry about that. So that's what I did before we jumped into this section. Gonna give him a machete a go. Oh yeah, that worked. Done. As you've probably seen, the roots, before I just cut them off, I've trimmed them here to make it easier for me to plant. Yeah, the roots only came down to about here. It's a grass, it doesn't have a really long root, this grass, which is why it was so easy to take out. If that was a tree, the roots would be down miles. So it's a little big. My idea was I wanted to be able to plant them with my homie and just have too much soil and have to use a spade. But I feel like if I take that one any further, there's a good chance I'll lose a lot of it. And there's a lot of this that will die. Don't you worry, it's warm, it's not wet now. Hopefully it's going to rain. So, what I'll do is just backfill this hole with some of the dirt that I've taken out. I don't like having dirt on top of my mulch, because dirt or soil should be covered. Okay, so we may have to cover this with more mulch when we're done. In fact, I probably will have to. So I'll do that. Okay, so I will lay out some of this mulch. There's just a little, some of these stalks here, just as a guide. I'll make a line as to where I'm going to be putting everything, and then we can start digging holes. So coming across this wall here, we don't need a mark here. We only need to be 1.5 meters out from this wall, I think. Here. It's going to go in, and we're going to have to cut it back, but that's okay. So this is the entrance in here. Doodle. Pipes along here. Shower here. Wash. Pipe here. When I get round to it, I'll move this pipe because that's sucky. I just really don't like pipes. Okay, let's do it. I may not have enough actually. I may have to use some stem cuttings. Yeah.
that's part one. I'm going to set a note in my calendar. I'm going to come back and I'm going to check this at probably end of January, and we'll see how it's doing by then, if we can use it as this is great. We're hitting peak growth month at the moment. November for us is when everything just goes kaboom here. So yeah, hopefully it goes, and yeah, lots of order, and we should be good. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.